Have you ever wondered about the wild animals that roam the Sahel region of Africa? Allow me to take you on a journey to this fascinating part of the world. The Sahel, a semi-arid region, stretches across the African continent, forming a transitional zone between the arid Sahara Desert in the north and the tropical savannas in the south. This region is a remarkable ecosystem, serving as a home to an array of wildlife, each uniquely adapted to the challenging and variable conditions. From the majestic lions to the nimble gazelles, from the soaring birds of prey to the industrious dung beetles, the Sahel is a theatre of biodiversity. The diversity of species here is astounding, each playing their part in a complex, interwoven tapestry of life. With such a diverse range of species, each animal plays a unique role in maintaining the balance of this ecosystem. The Sahel is home to some of Africa's most formidable predators. This vast, semi-arid region stretching across the African continent is a theatre of life and death, where the game of survival plays out day after day. Among the key players are the predators, a group as diverse as it is deadly. Lions, cheetahs and hyenas are just a few of the carnivores that roam these lands, each with their unique hunting strategies, dietary preferences and roles in the ecosystem. Lions, the kings of the jungle, are equally at home in the Sahel. These regal beasts are apex predators. Their hunting strategy is one of teamwork. Working in prides, they corner and overpower their prey, often choosing the young, old or sick from a herd. This may seem cruel, but it's nature's way of ensuring the fittest survive. Then we have the cheetah, the embodiment of speed and agility. Unlike the lion, the cheetah is a solitary hunter. Stealthy and swift, it uses its remarkable acceleration to close in on its prey before it even senses danger. But this high-speed chase is a high-stakes game. If the cheetah fails to make a kill, it could be left exhausted and vulnerable. And let's not forget the hyena. Often unfairly vilified, the hyena is an opportunistic predator with a strong social structure. They are scavengers, yes, but also skilled hunters, capable of taking down large prey. Hyenas play an essential role in the ecosystem, cleaning up the remains left by other predators, preventing the spread of disease. Each of these predators has its unique place in the food web of the Sahel. They control the populations of their prey, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the survival of the region's flora. They also provide food for scavengers and decomposers, contributing to nutrient cycling. These predators, awe-inspiring as they are, play a crucial role in maintaining the region's delicate balance. Their existence is not just about the thrill of the hunt, but about the intricate dance of life and death that keeps the Sahel alive. Not all animals in the Sahel are predators. Many are herbivores, each with its unique adaptations. Let's begin our herbivore journey with the gentle giants of the Sahel, the elephants. These majestic creatures are known for their impressive size and strength. But did you know that they are strict vegetarians? They spend a good part of their day munching on grasses, leaves and even tree bark, consuming several hundred pounds of plant matter in a single day. Their diets play a critical role in shaping the Sahel's landscape, as their feeding habits help control vegetation and their dung contributes to soil fertility. Next, let's turn our attention to the graceful gazelles. These nimble creatures are a testament to the beauty of adaptation. They survive in the harsh Sahel by consuming a diet primarily of grass and leaves, but can also eat shoots, flowers and even some fruits when available. Gazelles are not just food for the region's predators. Their feeding habits also help prevent overgrowth of vegetation in the Sahel. Lastly, we have the towering giraffes, the world's tallest herbivores. Their long necks allow them to reach leaves and buds in treetops that other herbivores cannot. They can consume hundreds of pounds of leaves weekly, primarily from acacia trees, their favorite. This browsing behavior helps control tree growth, ensuring a balanced ecosystem. However, these herbivores face numerous threats. Habitat loss, poaching and climate change all pose existential risks. Elephants are hunted for their ivory, gazelles for their meat and hides, and giraffes are facing a silent extinction, their populations dwindling due to habitat loss and illegal hunting. These herbivores are more than just prey for predators. They are essential architects of the Sahel's ecosystem, maintaining the balance of vegetation, aiding in soil fertility, and even helping to spread plant seeds across the region. Their survival is intrinsically linked to the health and vitality of the Sahel. These herbivores are a vital component of the Sahel's ecosystem, providing food for predators and helping to spread plant seeds. The Sahel is also a haven for bird species, each adding a unique touch to the region's diversity. First, let's soar with the African fish eagle. With a wingspan that can reach up to 2.5 meters, it's a sight to behold. This regal bird, known for its distinctive black, white and chestnut plumage, primarily feeds on fish, hence the name. However, it's not averse to snatching water birds or even baby crocodiles when the opportunity arises. African fish eagles build their nests in large trees near water bodies and often return to the same nest year after year, adding to it each time. Next, we have the Abyssinian roller, an avian spectacle with its vibrant blue and purple plumage. These birds are a feast for the eyes, especially when they're performing their acrobatic flight displays during the breeding season. While they are not migratory, they do move around in search of food, which is primarily insects. They nest in natural tree cavities or holes made by other birds, and unlike the African fish eagle, they rarely return to the same nest. Finally, let's talk about the secretary bird. Tall and elegant, these birds are terrestrial, spending most of their time on the ground hunting for prey. They're known for their unique hunting technique of stomping on their prey, which includes snakes, insects, and small mammals. Secretary birds build large nests in acacia trees where they lay 2 to 3 eggs. Unlike the Abyssinian roller, they are partially migratory, often moving in response to food availability. These are but a few examples of the bird species that call the Sahel home. Each of these birds, with their unique habits and behaviors, add their own distinct brushstrokes to the diverse and vibrant canvas that is the Sahel. Each of these bird species adds to the rich tapestry of life that is the Sahel region. Despite their resilience, the animals of the Sahel face numerous challenges. Even the strongest and most adaptable creatures in the Sahel have to combat a multitude of threats that loom over their existence. Climate change, one of the most pressing issues of our time, is leaving an indelible mark on this region. Unpredictable weather patterns, frequent droughts and soaring temperatures are altering the Sahel's landscape, making it increasingly inhospitable for its diverse wildlife. The lack of water and vegetation forces animals to migrate in search of resources, often leading to deadly conflicts with human settlements. Next, let's talk about habitat loss, another critical challenge. As human populations continue to grow and expand, the natural habitats of Sahel's wildlife are shrinking at an alarming rate. Forests are being cleared for agriculture, settlements are encroaching on grasslands, and water sources are being rerouted for human use. This rampant habitat loss is leaving many species homeless and vulnerable, pushing them closer and closer to the brink of extinction. Poaching, a dark shadow that has long loomed over African wildlife, is also a significant concern in the Sahel. Despite efforts to curb this illegal activity, many species, particularly the larger mammals, are still hunted for their meat, hides, horns, and tusks. The dwindling numbers of these creatures speak volumes about the devastating impact of poaching. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are dedicated conservationists working tirelessly to protect and preserve the Sahel's unique wildlife. Their efforts range from establishing protected areas and implementing anti-poaching measures to educating local communities about the importance of wildlife conservation. These initiatives offer a glimmer of hope in the face of adversity, proving that humans can indeed be the guardians of nature rather than its destroyers. The survival of these species depends on our understanding and respect for their habitats and their roles in the ecosystem. Let's remember, every creature, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the Sahel's ecosystem. Their survival is our responsibility. The Sahel region is a vibrant hub of life, playing host to a myriad of species, each playing its part in the circle of life. This expanse of Africa is teeming with predators, herbivores, and an impressive array of bird life, each creature contributing to the delicate balance of this ecosystem. From the stealthy lions to the nimble gazelles and the majestic eagles soaring above, the Sahel is truly a testament to nature's diversity and resilience. However, it is crucial to remember the challenges facing this wildlife haven. Climate change, human encroachment, and other threats are putting this biodiversity at risk. We've seen the resilience of these animals, their determination to survive and thrive despite the odds. This resilience underscores the importance of our conservation efforts. As we continue to learn about these animals, we develop a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of nature and our role in preserving it for future generations.